Hi guys, welcome to Ray's Creative Corner. Today we're going to be doing a viral bouncing egg experiment. Before we start this video, I just want to give a shout out to Aiden, Patty, Finn and Elliot. Okay, what you'll need for this viral experiment is a glass of vinegar, one bottle that the egg can fit in, and an egg. It doesn't matter what egg, just an egg. Okay, so what you need first, you're going to open the bottle and chuck the glass of vinegar in. But before you do that, you're going to need to chuck the egg in gently. Now with the vinegar, you're going to be pouring it in the glass. And close it. Okay, now that we've done all the steps, we're going to wait for 24 hours to see the result. Let's check what will happen after 24 hours. Okay, so this is the second part of the video now, and this is going to be the result after 24 hours. Just before you open it, make sure there's something underneath because it might get a little bit messy. So let's see what the result after 24 hours is. And open it very gently because it might be a bit gassy. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out. And it's very, very squishy. So when you do it, be very, very careful. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe my hands now. So now that that's done, let's have a look. So we're just going to start with rubbing off the shell now with the tissue. And before that, we're just going to actually start rubbing off with our hands. Make sure it's very gentle you're doing it. And as you can see, it's very, very bouncy. Okay, now that we've done that, I'm going to wipe it with a tissue. So the dirty stuff can come out. You can wash it under the water as well. And this messy stuff is all actually the shell. There's no shell anymore. So I'm just going to quickly go wash it. So this is what it looks after I've rinsed it. So this is a chemical reaction, and because we chucked it in the vinegar for overnight or 24 hours, the vinegar has dissolved the eggshell and it's become all bouncy. So now we're going to try one more thing to end this video. We're going to put this under a flashlight, and then we're going to see what and how it looks. So we're going to get a flashlight and chuck it under it. Chuck it in on the flashlight. So I've just chucked it on, and this is how it looks. It looks very, very like a lamp. And especially during nighttime, it looks very, very cool and it's a very, very cool experiment to do. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye!